Hey, what's up guys? Today I am here with another video. In this video I am going to show you how to test electronic components. These are the electronic components that I am going to show you how to test them. These are the non-polar capacitor, polar capacitor, some inductors, fuse, bridge rectifier, resistance, diodes, transistors and transformers. So in this video I will just show you how to test them, that they are bad or good. So first of all, let's check the fuse. Everybody knows this, that how to test fuse, but it's just for beginners. When we touch these probes at this, both of them, the buzzer should beep, so it means that the fuse is okay. And now this is the fuse that is burst. As you can see, it is burst inside. And let's check this one. So the buzzer is not beeping, it means this is the bad one. Now it is the ceramic type fuse. So let's check them. We cannot see the thin wire inside this, so it is the ceramic type fuse, so we will have to check this with meter. As you can hear the sound that it's beeping, so this is the good one. If it does not beep, so that is the bad one. So now it was the fuse. So now let's check the inductors. So in inductors we will have to check the continuity between coil to coil. As you can see, we will have to check the continuity between this wire and coil to coil. If there is not continuity between the coil, so the inductor is bad. So let's check this. So it means this coil is okay. Let's check this one. It's also okay. So it is also okay. Okay, so means this inductor is okay and we can reuse this in any circuit. So this was the testing of inductors. If there is not continuity between this, so means this is not okay, that is bad one. If there is continuity between these legs, this side of any one of this side, so there would be a short circuit, so that is also a bad one. This is also the inductor with 4 legs. It's okay. So this is the good one. These two are also inductor. So the method is same as there should be continuity between these two legs. So this is the good one. And this is also the inductor. So it is also good. If there is not continuity between these legs, so that is bad one. There is the wire is cut off between this coil, so this is good. Now let's check the transformers. The transformer method is also as the inductor one. As I show you the inductors, there should be continuity between any of 2 wires. If 4 wires coming, so there should be continuity between 2 wires. Means these 2 wires has continuity, so this coil is okay. Let's check this coil. So it is also okay, but there should not be continuity like this from this side to this side. If there is continuity, so this is the short circuit, so that is the bad one. There should not continuity. There should not any continuity in like this side. So this is the okay transformer. And now we have some this type of transformer. So the same method, we will have to check this. The buzzer should beep in all of these legs. The one probe is here. There should be continuity with all these big wires that legs are. We will test this. So this one is okay. Okay. So there should not continuity through this side. So there should continuity between this side, and there should not continuity like this. So this is also the good transformer. So the same way so this is also the good one. Now we are going to check the resistance. We will have to move this selector to ohms. So now first of all let's check this. So it's a good resistor, and it's a 100 ohm resistor. So there is 99.9. So this is also the good resistor. Let's check this one. So now it's I think it's 1K. So let's check. Let's select the 2K range. So it's about 1K, 992. So it's 992 ohm, means 1000 ohms is equal to 1 kilo ohm. So it's a 1K ohm. It means it's also good. Let's check this one. So it's about 1.5K ohm. So this is also good resistance. Now let's check the non-polar capacitors. It's a non-polar capacitor. It works on AC. It's a non-polar capacitor. If there is continuity between these legs of capacitor, so that is the bad one. If there is not continuity, so it is the good one. As you can see, it's not beeping, so this is the good capacitor. In this way we'll check any of them. So this is also the good one. And it's also good. I don't have the bad capacitor that I would show you that how it looks when it is bad. So that was the method. Let's check this polar capacitor, electrolyte. It's also called electrolyte capacitor. So in this capacitor, when we touch these both probes to the negative and positive, so the readings will show, some readings will show, and then the readings will come back to 1. So it means the capacitor is okay. First of all, discharge it. Discharge the capacitor before you testing the capacitor. So as you can see, the reading showed and then come back to 1. So this is okay. Let's check. So it means this is the good capacitor. We can use this. Let's check this one. Discharge it. So this is also the good capacitor. Now let's check this small one. The same method. So this is the good capacitor. If the readings are continuously shows and it's beeping between this leg, the buzzer beeps, so that is the bad capacitor. Now let's check the diode. The diode, let's move this selector to the diode mode. The diode has the simple way to check this. So now let's check the diode. If we connect the positive lead to this strip line and negative to this side, so it should not show the readings. As you can see, it should not show the readings. If it is showing, so this is the bad diode. And when we connect this black lead to the strip line, this is the negative and this is the positive of diode. It should show the readings on meter. so that would be the good diode. As you can see, it's showing the reading. So this is a good diode to check the diodes. The same method, as you can see, this is the negative and this is the positive, so it's showing the reading. If I opposite this, it should not show the readings. So this is the good diode. Now let's check the transistor. As you can see, this is the diode symbol. This is the negative side and this is the positive side of diode. The transistor is simply made of two diodes, just by connecting them like this. This is the symbol of diode. So these both are negative are connected to negative, and this is the positive, and this is the also the positive. So this is PNP transistor. When we connect the negative lead here, so it shows the reading in both the right and left side. So that is the it means that the transistor is good. If it is not showing the reading, so that is the bad one. Or if it is continuously the buzzer is beeping between all these legs, so that is also the bad transistor. So let's check this one. Move the selector to the continuity mode and then check as I told you. If I connect this, so this is the PNP, so I will have to put this here, and then if it should show the readings on the meter. So this is the good, so this side is good and this is also the good. So this is good, it means that this transistor is good one. So this is the way how to check the transistor. So this is also the transistor, as I told you that this is the made of two diodes. So now as you can see, it is it's showing the real structure of a transistor. So both these strip lines are negative, so this is the PNP transistor. It's showing the reading also on the left side. So it means that this transformer, this transistor is okay. If there is continuity through these legs, so it means that this is the bad transistor. So now let's check the bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier has the very easy method. It's also made of 4 diodes which converts AC to DC. When I touch this negative lead to the negative side, so it should not show the readings with these 3 legs. As you can see, it's not showing the readings. When I connect this the positive side to the negative of bridge rectifier, so it should show the readings between these 2 legs, and the last leg the readings should be higher than the these 2 legs. As you can see, it's showing the reading. So this reading should be higher than the previous 2 legs. So it means this is the way to check the bridge rectifier, that that is the bad one or good one. So this is a good, so we can use this the same method with this. So it is, I have showed you to that how it looks like. So the same method. So this was the video on how to test electronic components. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification and share this video. Thanks for watching.